Hi, my name is Lamia and welcome to Web3 Crypto. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrencies and curious about investing, in order to get started today, you are in the right place. This video is a guide for beginners on how to get started with investing in digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. This guide will help you navigate the crypto space with confidence, and it's simplified into 5 easy steps. So step number 1, embrace education. Before diving headfirst into crypto investments, it's important to learn the basics. Dedicate time to understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology, the underlying mechanism that power cryptocurrencies. Get familiar with different cryptocurrencies functions, their unique features, and the potential they hold. Explore essential concepts like wallets, exchanges, and private keys, which are fundamentals to crypto transactions and security. There are a lot of resources available to help you learn, like online courses. Check out the Udemy courses, websites, and YouTube channels like Whiteboard Crypto, Coin Bureau, and a lot of other channels. They will really help you during this learning phase. So step number 2, choose a reliable exchange. Once you've equipped yourself with necessary knowledge, it's time to select a reputable exchange. These platforms serve as the gateway to buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Also, take the time to understand the difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. You can watch that on this video here. Once you learn that, now it's time to evaluate exchanges based on their reputation, user-friendliness, security measures, and trading fees. So popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. It's for the centralized exchange. So DXDY, OKX, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap for the decentralized exchanges. Do your own research and choose the exchange that best aligns with your preferences and needs. I mentioned what exchange I use and for what reason in this video. So step number 3, secure your crypto assets. After making your initial crypto purchase, it's crucial to safeguard your digital asset. So cryptocurrencies wallets provide secure storage for your coins and tokens. Wallets come in different forms, each offering different levels of security and convenience. So what cryptocurrencies wallets are? They are softwares that create and store your private keys and public keys. They monitor your cryptocurrency's balance and allow you to send and receive digital assets. There are 2 types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. The main difference is that hot wallets create and store your private keys online, while cold wallets create and store your private keys offline. Hardware wallets or cold wallets are considered to be the most secure option. They are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them virtually immune to online attacks and malware. Trezor is one of the best wallets out there. So if you scroll down the description below, you can access their correct and official websites. Software wallets or hot wallets offer a balance of security and accessibility. They are programs that you can install on your computer or mobile device. They are less secure than the hardware wallets, but are more convenient and user-friendly. I recommend Exodus for beginners and MetaMask for more advanced users. All links are down below. So step number 4 is to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a cornerstone of sound investing. By diversifying your crypto portfolio, you are reducing the risk and increasing your chance of success. As Miguel de Cervantes once said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across a variety of cryptocurrencies. This approach helps mitigate risk and enhance potential for long-term returns. Research and select projects with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and reputable development team. Step number 5, stay informed and manage risk. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving. making it essential to stay informed about market trends, news and developments. Subscribe to a reliable source, engage with crypto community and attend industry events to gain insight and stay ahead of the curve. Risk management is another crucial aspect of crypto investing. Establish clear investment goals, determine your risk tolerance, and implement strategies to protect your capital from market volatility. And that concludes today's video. By following these 5 essential steps, you can successfully navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency and potentially take an advantage of the rewarding offers. Remember, patience, delayed gratification, and continuous learning are key to the success in this dynamic market. As you embark on your crypto investment journey, embrace education, choose a reliable exchange, secure your assets, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed. To manage risk effectively with careful planning, strategies, investments, and a commitment of learning, you can navigate the crypto space with confidence and potentially achieve your financial aspiration. Below in the description, you will find links to all what we discussed. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please like it, share it, and subscribe. And for now, see you in the next one.